Scan to unlock Sovi and ace your tests. Distilled water pH changes with temperature, and we need to explain why it rises above 7 on this graph. Let's solve this chemistry puzzle fast. First, remember that the autoionization of water is an endothermic process. This means the reaction absorbs heat to break bonds and create hydrogen ions, which is the key starting point here. When the temperature decreases, the system shifts to favor the reactants according to Le Chatelier's principle. This shift reduces the concentration of hydrogen ions because fewer water molecules are actually ionizing. Since fewer ions are produced at lower temperatures, the pH value naturally increases. This confirms that option D is the correct explanation for the graph. Well done! Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Avoid rushing when reading graphs, trust the given data, and check your steps.